Hey everybody, welcome back. This is the Letter Sounds Lab. Remember this from last week or from yesterday? Laboratory. I'm an evil scientist in the laboratory and we're making sounds. Okay, this is the Letter Sounds Lab Part 2. You already know how this works from yesterday. A letter has a name and it has a sound. So we say the sound out loud together. Today, we're going to add 6 new letters. The letters are B, D, F, H, L, and R. Say everything with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the letter B. The name of the letter is B, but the sound is B. Short and quick. B. Not B, but just B. B. The lips are together and then pop them open. You pop them open with your voice. B. 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 Listen, the name of the letter is B. The sound is B. B. Like the start of ball, ball. Does your name begin with B? Brenda, Barbara. Say it. B, B, ball. Let's chant B 3 times. B. Are you ready? The name is B. The sound is B, B, B. Now just you. B, B, B. Nice. The lips pop with your voice. B, B. The lips pop. P, B, B. This is the letter D. D. The letter's name is D, and the sound is D, D, D. It's not duh, it's just D, D. And the tongue, the tongue taps behind your top teeth. It taps the sort of the roof of your mouth and behind your top teeth. So it's D, D. The letter is D and the sound is D, D. Like the start of dog, dog. Does your name begin with D? Anybody? Is your name Darren? Is your name Darlene? That starts with D. Say it. D, D, dog. Good. Let's chant D 3 times. Here we go. D, D. Now we'll chant the sound. D, D, D. Now just you. D, D, D. The tongue taps with the voice. It has to have some voice. Voice. D, D. I can feel the vibration. D, 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 D. Nice. Tongue taps with voice. It's tongue taps with voice. Tongue taps with voice. So here's a quick ear check. We're going to check your ears. Quick ear check. Listen. D, D. Which letter is that? Is it B or is it D? Listen again. D, D, D. Is that B or is it D? It's D. Yep, D. Now let's try another letter. Just the sound. B, 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 B. Which letter is that? It's B. Yes, good. They're very close. You have to listen very carefully. One of them is B, B, and the other is D, D. One is lips, B, 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 and the other is tongue on teeth, D, D. Very good. I love those sounds, different to hear the difference in those sounds. It's really interesting. Here's the next one. The letter is F. The letter is F. The name of the letter is F. The sound is F. It's teeth, gently, teeth on your bottom lip. On your teeth, on your bottom lip. So it's no voice, no voice. It's just air. Like the start of fish, fish. Do you hear that? Fish, 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 fish. Does your name begin with F? Frank, that's my middle name, Frank. Does your name begin with F? All right, let's chant F 3 times. F, F. Here we go. We're going to make the sound 3 times. F, F, F. Do you hear it? F. It's just air on your teeth and lip. F, F, F. Now just you. Try it again. Beautiful. Teeth on lip, and you blow it out. I always say, like a rabbit. F. Here's the next one. The name of this letter is H. The name of this letter is H. H. But the sound is H. It's just breath, just air. H. 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 You can put your hand in front of your mouth and you can feel it. I can feel it. Yeah, it's just the air. You can feel it. It's so the letter is H, but the sound is like the start of hat. 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 Like the start of hat. Let's say it 3 times. You ready? Like in hat. Now, does your name start with H? Probably not, because in Spanish it has a very different sound. But this is like the sound of J or Jota in Spanish. I think, for example, Javier. Javier. In English, we would spell that with an H. Javier. Javier. Yeah, it's only breath. No teeth, no voice, just breath. Javier. Say it. Javier. Excellent. Let's continue. Let's chant the H 3 times. Let's try it. The letter is H, and the sound is H. Now just you. Nice. Just breathe it out. Feel the warm air. I love that one. That one's so good. That's a great explanation of it. So now let's do a quick ear check. You help me with this. Let's listen to the letter and the sound of the letter, and you tell me the letter. So here's the sound. Which letter is that? Is it F or is it H? Listen again. Is that F or is it H? It's H. Yep, H. Now, listen to these. Listen to this sound, and you tell me which is the letter. Which letter is that? It's F. Very good. So H is breath. Is breath. Is teeth on lip and then breath. Okay, excellent. Let's go to the next one. This is the letter L. L. The letter is L, and the sound is ol, ol, ol. You can stretch it. You can make it longer. Ol. It doesn't have to be just ol. It could be ol. So, for example, listen. L, listen, listen, listen. L, listen, like the start of listen or the start of leaf. Leaf. Does your name begin with L? I can't think of a name. Oh, Laura. How about Laura? Is your name Laura? Say the sound. Ol. Okay, let's try it. We're going to chant it 3 times. Are you ready? It's L, and here's the sound. Ol, 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 ol. It's a hard sound. Ol, ol. It's the tongue, top of the mouth, but it's a ol. We have to make a kind of a resonant sound in our mouths. Ol, ol, ol. Very good. It's the tongue. It's up behind the teeth, on the roof of the mouth, behind the teeth, but it has kind of a ol, like in laugh, laugh. Here's the next one. This letter is R. The name of the letter is R, and the sound is ready. For Spanish speakers, and I think Chinese speakers and Japanese speakers, this can be very hard because it's a very different sound than you're used to. But the tongue winds up being pulled back. So it's the lips are a little bit round and there's no tap, just r, 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 r. This one is tricky for a lot of us. So go slow, no tongue tap. Listen to the sound. The letter is R, and the sound is rough, rough, like rabbit, rabbit, like rabbit. Say it with me slowly. rabbit. That's it. You got it. Let's go to the next one. Let's chant 3 times. Let's chant R, the sound of R, 3 times, nice and slow. So the letter is R, and the sound is R, 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 R. It's like a dog, R, but no growl. R, R. Just you, try it. R, 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 R. Very nice. So there's no tap. The tongue is back. The tongue is back in your mouth. It's back in your mouth. There's no tap. Tongue is back, and the tongue is sort of curled up, the edges of the tongue, your mouth, and it's er, er, er. That takes practice, but a lot of you are very good at it already. Okay, a little sound check, ear check. Which letter is this? Listen. Is it this? Here's the sound of the letter. You tell me which letter. Er, er. Which letter is that? Is it L or R? Yeah, it's R. R. The sound is rough, ready, rabbit. Now let's try the L sound. Here we go. Oh, I gave it away. Darn. Okay, the sound is ol. Ol. Which letter is it? Ol. 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 Which letter is it? L or R? It's L. Very good. It's L. So with L, the tongue is in the front, and with R, the tongue is farther back. So L, the tongue is up here, and in R, it's farther back in the mouth, in the inside the mouth. You can feel the difference a little bit. We'll experiment more. We'll do it in class. That's sort of easier too, to have somebody there listening to you. But you guys are doing great. Okay. So look, we've done 12 letters. We've practiced 12 letters. There are 26 in the alphabet, and we've already practiced 12, and they're the most used letters. So when you know these 12, you're doing very well. It's a real advantage to know these 12. The 6 from yesterday and the 6 from today. So here we are from yesterday, M, S, T, A, P, and N. And today was B, D, F, H, L, and R. We're doing great, making a lot of progress. See you soon.